Okay guys, so we finally made it to the hike. I don't want to butcher the pronunciation, so I'll put it like somewhere right here. But isn't it so beautiful? Peaceful. Alright, so let's get our hiking on.
Daddy, you just go over like so. Just go over. Yeah. You just go over like so.
Plus in the other one you have to like bend down. Well, it tells you in English what not to do. Keep saying we saw, we're done. Ooh. You hear that? Water? I don't want to go in there because I don't know what kind of snakes and whatnot are in there. Okay, I gotta go catch up with the rest of them. You can hear the waterfall? Yeah, I hear it. Careful. This where it gets really tight right there. Yeah, go. Push through, Kira. Thanks, Bart.
Oh, this is the part. And this is the water part. Okay.
Get on the big rock. Can you get it? Yeah?
Can I go on the bell bottom?
No, I don't know. Or you know what? I can carry y'all one across.
Sure.
Hold on. Let me get a little bit of the water over here. Soak it in.
I think I need it too long. That will be good.
Here.
Water spider.
What, babe?
So that's the part of water you were talking about?
Yeah, that it's not high, but yeah, it's enough to get your feet wet when you cross it. That's why I wanted them to wear their water shoes.
There's little fishies in there.
There's fishies?
Yeah, sometimes.
Well, there's like a glare. Oh, I think I see them.
Water spiders.
No, babe, be careful.
Water spiders. Some of them are. I saw fishy in here once, or a couple of times. But most of the things that you see are water spiders.
That's where we came through. Let's see. We came through there. No, I think it was.
There's the map.
I know, because this is when I thought that we had to go this way and it's not.
Yeah, I think that's where you get the other way, right?
I don't think that way is optional. Yeah, go follow that path. I think I'm the only one in hiking boots. Be careful, because there's a... Or did y'all see this huge spider? I don't think the camera can catch it. It's right here. It's kind of creepy. No, we're going over the bridge. This is something else.
Yeah,
No.
you want to get to the other waterfall?
No, I think you have to go over the waterfall.
I know there's one part where you said there's like the skinny part where you had to walk across.
So gorgeous. Let's go. Let's see. Uh-oh, they're like all the way ahead of me. Ooh, not a good look. We gotta run. Catch up with them. I don't want to get hit. Oh my gosh, my husband walks really fast. It's like a marathon. Yeah, you gotta follow the...
Mommy, can we go on off the bottom?
No, it's fine, baby.
Is it this way? Right?
Yeah, it's that way.
Yeah.
A little rest area. Little signs. Let's go. We're gonna get to the waterfall. There's nothing on it. Okay, let me save the battery before I drain it so you can see the waterfall. It's so beautiful. Here's the steps. I know you should go to the left. Ooh. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Go on the side. Oh, you hear that? Downstairs. Stay right there.
Right here?
Yeah. You're going too far.
Sorry. I'm gonna look up. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. You got it, babe? You need my support?
This is a purple wall. See, it's a man. Remember all the fight signs we had here? See, we're going to do it. Here, don't get on the truck. Wobble. Now, here, this is Steve. You can do it.
No, nobody got in the water. We made it! I don't think this one's the... I don't think this is one that... I don't know if you can. I know there's some hikes where you can. Where some of the waterfalls are safe to get in. I just wasn't comfortable in bringing them.
Just run, Mommy.
What?
Make sure to saw crab.
There's a crowd?
And there's a ginormous water turtle. I just saw it. Silly. Don't look down. It went under that rock over there. It was so cool, but so scary. Yeah. I know the crabs with water are really friendly. Yeah. I'm gonna go over there with Daddy. Did you find a crab? I think Mommy's just taking pictures of the water. love going on. Well, I love being away. We have the water cannon. Somebody did that. Oh, no, I don't know if it's this. There's a gas light.
Alright guys, so we made it to the falls. I think it's called Fukuyawa Falls. Sorry. But yeah, we finally made it, and yeah, that's the end of this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed our hike here in Japan. Bye! Baby, I haven't seen this cave.
I was there the whole time.
I didn't see it. That's kind of creepy.
Hopefully there's no bears living in there.
I'm not going in there.
Foxes.
Ooh, he looks creepy.
Mommy, I know quite a lot of animals.
Oh, you said snakes
Mm-hmm.
live in trees too?
Yep.
You're really smart. You know a lot about animals, huh?
Uh-huh. I got a lot of stuff picked up from all kinds of TV shows
Oh yeah.
and, stuff.
Oh yeah, like books.
Yeah. And TV shows like Octonauts.
Octonauts, yes, I like Octonauts. It's very
Educational.
yes, educational. Oh my goodness, you're how are you? 7? 7 turning on 20. You're super smart. Uh-oh.
I mean, I don't know what a lot of words mean, but
You know a lot of words though.
yeah, but I don't know what a lot of them mean.
We have the right socks, we could just walk straight through here.
Mm-hmm.
The right
From the
shoes,
bottom.
you mean?